everybody, Brian Horvath here with this week's 2-minute LinkedIn hot tip. Now you see the palm trees behind me. What's that all about? Well, I want you to consider what I'm going to share today as an opportunity for you to get profile views, to get job offers and opportunities with this LinkedIn hot tip. Even the job opportunities, profile views, connection requests while you're on the beach. Because I'm going to share with you LinkedIn's two main purposes. Now, I'm sure you're using one already. You have a LinkedIn profile. You got content on it. You got pictures. You're putting your content out there and your call to actions and all that good stuff, and that's great. But I also want you to understand and remember that there's a second purpose. And I kind of think about it like a tennis match. You can see here. The first main purpose is you. You got the ball in your hand. You're hitting the racket to the ball. That's a proactive approach to this game of tennis. But then there's the backside of it. There's the other side, the opponent. He or she is receiving the ball from you. That's a reactive approach. So in this case, is your LinkedIn profile is saying what you do best. Hopefully your people that need it the most are seeing it. That would be the reactive person. Those would be the people that are searching for you because you did your proactive approach and set up your profile, wrote your keywords, put your content in such a way that on the other side, that person you're hitting the ball to can receive it, can find you, can look at what you do best and see how they can use it the most and be able to take next steps with you so that you guys can collaborate on LinkedIn. Maybe take a next step with a job offer or maybe it's a strategic partner or maybe it's just a referral, whatever the case may be. Too many people think about only LinkedIn's main purpose or first purpose, and that's being proactive. But I want you to think about the reactive approach because I want you in the next 20 seconds I want you to think about writing your copy, writing your content, putting your keywords in place, writing your headline in a way that the person on the other side of this tennis net can be able to receive what you do best. Okay? I want you to think about them first, and that will allow you to take advantage of the two main purposes of LinkedIn, the proactive and the reactive. And that's this week's 2-minute LinkedIn hot tip.